18-volt Easy Blow Vac. The 18-volt Easy Blow Vac is a versatile and easy-to-use cordless tool designed to make cleaning up around your home, garage, or yard quick and simple. It works as both a blower and a vacuum, so you can sweep leaves, dust, grass clippings, and small debris into piles or suck them up directly without any hassle. Powered by an 18-volt battery, the Easy Blow Vac gives you complete freedom to move around without worrying about cords or finding a nearby power outlet. Simply charge the battery, attach it, and you're ready to go. The blower pushes air at high speed to clear leaves and dust, while the vacuum collects debris neatly into a bag, making cleanup easy and mess-free. This tool is lightweight and ergonomically designed, so it's comfortable to hold and won't tire your arms, even during longer jobs. Bosch PFS 7000 Paint Sprayer. The Bosch PFS 7000 is a powerful and easy-to-use paint sprayer that makes painting large surfaces quick and smooth. Whether you're working on walls, ceilings, doors, or fences, this sprayer delivers a fine, even coat without the drips and streaks you often get with brushes or rollers. Its strong 1400 Dodlet motor sprays paint fast, covering about 4 millicuic per minute, which is perfect for big indoor or outdoor projects. The sprayer works with many types of coatings, including wall paints, stains, glazes, and lacquers, thanks to Bosch's all-paint system. This versatility makes it suitable for almost any painting task. The PFS 7000 has 2 large 1-liter paint containers, so you can keep spraying longer without stopping to refill. It also rolls easily on small casters, letting you move around your workspace without effort. Staccato Olindo SPLT25. The Staccato Olindo SPLT25 is a powerful and easy-to-use electric log splitter that makes splitting firewood fast, safe, and effortless. Instead of struggling with a heavy axe or tiring manual tools, this machine handles the hard work for you, giving clean and consistent splits every time. Powered by electricity, the SPLT25 is simple to use. Just plug it in and start working. Its strong motor and hydraulic system push logs steadily into the splitting wedge, making quick work of even thick or tough wood. This ensures neatly split firewood that's ready for your fireplace, stove, or outdoor fire pit. The design is built for safety and comfort. Logs stay secure on the splitting bed, and the stable structure keeps the machine steady while in use. Because you don't need to swing an axe, there's much less strain on your arms and back, making the process smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Chopper R60. The Chopper R60 is a powerful and easy-to-use wood chipper and garden shredder that makes clearing branches, twigs, leaves, and garden waste quick and simple. Instead of leaving piles of debris in your yard or burning them, this machine turns your garden waste into small chips or mulch that you can reuse to enrich your garden or compost. It features a strong motor and sharp cutting blades that pull in branches and trim them into tiny pieces in seconds. The Chopper R60 handles medium-sized branches and everyday garden trimmings effortlessly, making even big cleanup jobs feel much easier. The shred material collects neatly in a bag or container, keeping your yard clean and organized while you work. Designed for convenience, the chipper is easy to move around with sturdy wheels and a balanced frame, making it comfortable to operate in any part of your yard. Its solid construction ensures durability for regular use, and safety features help protect you while the machine is running. Distar RMTX Cutting Disc. The Distar RMTX is a durable and high-performance cutting disc designed for tough metalworking tasks. Whether you're cutting pipes, metal sheets, bars, or stainless steel, this disc makes the job faster, easier, and more precise. Unlike ordinary discs that wear out quickly, the RMTX stays sharp longer, so you can complete more cuts before needing a replacement. Its thin yet strong design allows for clean, straight cuts with minimal sparks or rough edges, giving a professional finish every time. The disc fits most angle grinders, making it simple to use without any special tools or attachments. Just secure your material, attach the disc, and start cutting. It slices through metal efficiently and smoothly, reducing the effort you need to put in. The Distar RMTX is ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're working on construction projects, vehicle repairs, or home metalwork, This disc helps you achieve accurate cuts with less frustration. Its durability and performance save time and make cutting metal safer and more satisfying. In short, the Distar RMTX is a reliable, easy-to-use cutting disc that delivers fast, clean, and precise results. Grappa F180 BO. The Grappa F180 BO is a professional concrete floor grinder and polisher that makes smoothing, leveling, and finishing concrete surfaces much easier and faster. Whether you're preparing floors for tiles, removing old coatings, or polishing concrete to a sleek finish, this tool saves time and effort compared to doing it by hand. Equipped with a powerful motor and strong, durable construction, the F180 BO can handle tough concrete surfaces with ease. Its rotating grinding discs work efficiently to remove bumps, rough patches, glue residue, paint, and uneven areas, leaving the floor flat, smooth, and ready for the next step. The adjustable head and ergonomic design make it comfortable to operate, even during long sessions. This machine is built for professional use, so it performs reliably on construction sites, workshops, and renovation projects. Its sturdy wheels and handles make it easy to maneuver, giving you full control while working. Handheld Brillianto. The handheld Brillianto is a versatile and easy-to-use cordless garden tool that makes cleaning leaves, grass clippings, and garden debris fast and effortless. Instead of spending hours raking or sweeping, this tool helps you tidy patios, driveways, lawns, and flower beds quickly, saving both time and energy. Its battery-powered design gives you complete freedom to move around your yard without being restricted by cords. Simply charge the battery, attach it, and you're ready to go. In blower mode, it pushes air powerfully to sweep leaves and debris into neat piles. Switch to vacuum mode, and it sucks up loose leaves and clippings into the collection bag, reducing the need for bending or extra cleanup. The Brillianto is lightweight, well-balanced, and comfortable to hold, making it ideal for homeowners, gardeners, and anyone who wants a simpler way to maintain outdoor spaces. Its controls are intuitive, so switching between blower and vacuum is quick and easy, and the tool delivers strong performance for everyday garden cleanup. In short, the handheld Brillianto transforms a tiring garden chore into a quick, satisfying, and stress-free task. It keeps your yard clean and tidy with minimal effort, giving you more time to enjoy your outdoor space instead of working in it. FlexTool Power Vibe. The FlexTool Power Vibe is a powerful and easy-to-use concrete vibrator that helps you achieve smooth, strong, and professional quality concrete finishes. When concrete is poured, air pockets and gaps can form inside the mix. If left untreated, these pockets weaken the concrete and create an uneven surface. The Power Vibe solves this problem by vibrating the concrete, allowing air bubbles to rise to the surface and the mix to settle evenly. This tool has a strong motor that delivers consistent vibrations, making it much easier to compact concrete for slabs, footings, columns, and other structural projects. You simply place the vibrating head into the fresh concrete and let it work. Within seconds, the surface settles smoothly without lumps, gaps, or air pockets, saving you time and effort compared to manual methods. The Power Vibe is designed for comfort and control. FM10 Electric Log Splitter. The FM10 Electric Log Splitter is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that makes splitting firewood fast, safe, and effortless. Unlike swinging an axe or using a manual splitter, this electric log splitter does the hard work for you, letting you get neatly split logs in a fraction of the time. Powered by electricity, you just plug it in and start splitting. No gas, no fumes, and no heavy pulling or swinging. Its strong motor and hydraulic system push logs steadily into the splitting wedge, easily handling even larger or tougher pieces of wood. This ensures clean, straight splits every time without the risk or effort of manual chopping. The FM10 is designed for safety and stability. Logs sit securely on the splitter bed, so they don't roll or shift while working. Its compact and balanced design makes it easy to use in garages, workshops, or backyards, while also reducing strain on your back and arms compared to traditional methods. Perfect for homeowners, hobby woodcutters, or anyone who needs firewood regularly. The FM10 electric log splitter makes a tough physical job quick and enjoyable. It saves time, reduces effort, and delivers professional-looking firewood safely and efficiently, turning a demanding chore into a smooth, stress-free task. Goebel 12N Pruning Saw. The Goebel Go 12N is a reliable and easy-to-use pruning saw designed to make tree trimming, branch cutting, and general garden maintenance much faster and easier. It's perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and landscapers who want clean, precise cuts without the hassle of a heavy chainsaw. This saw features a sharp, high-quality blade with aggressive teeth that slice through wood quickly and smoothly. It stays sharp longer so you can finish jobs faster while leaving neat cuts that help trees and shrubs heal properly. The lightweight and balanced design makes it easy to handle, even during long pruning sessions, while the non-slip, ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue. The Go 12N is ideal for trimming overgrown bushes, shaping trees, or removing dead branches in gardens, orchards, and yards. Its size and design make it easy to reach tight spaces and tricky spots where bigger tools can't fit. Grube Forstreich Funkvelkeil TR300. The Grube Forstreich Funkvelkeil TR300 is a smart and powerful tool for anyone who needs to fell large trees safely. It's a remote-controlled wedge, which means you don't have to stand right next to the tree while it falls. This makes tree cutting much safer, especially for big or heavy timber. The TR300 uses a strong motor to push the wedge into the tree, lifting it slightly to guide the fall in the direction you want. It can apply up to 28 tons of force, making even the toughest trees easier to handle. The remote control works from about 50 meters, so you can operate it from a safe distance. You can also attach the remote directly to the wedge if you prefer to control it manually. Despite its power, the TR300 is lightweight, around 9.2 kilograms, and has handles and a shoulder strap for easy carrying in the forest. Gutster Demo Bar. The Gutster Demo Bar is a simple but powerful tool that makes demolition work much easier. It's a strong metal bar designed to help you pry, lift, and remove materials like wood, nails, plaster, or old fixtures without too much effort. Its wedge-shaped end slides into small gaps, and the leverage it provides lets you pull or push materials apart quickly and efficiently. Made from tough steel, the Gutster Demo Bar is durable and won't bend or break even during heavy-duty jobs. Some models also have a claw or notch on the opposite end, which makes it easier to lift nails or pry boards apart. This versatility makes it a must-have for construction workers, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Using a demo bar saves you a lot of time and energy. Instead of struggling with hammers or makeshift tools, you can remove old wood, pull up floorboards, or break plaster cleanly and safely. It also helps you work in tight spaces where other tools might not fit. Inco AHM 112 Auto Darkening Welding Goggle. The Inco AHM 112 is a simple and practical welding goggle made for everyday use. It comes with an auto-darkening lens that instantly adjusts when you start welding, so your eyes stay protected without needing to lift or adjust the goggles again and again. This makes your work faster, safer, and more comfortable. The goggles use a combination of solar power and battery, which means you don't have to worry about frequent battery changes. They react very quickly to bright light, helping protect your eyes from harmful sparks, UV rays, and intense brightness during welding. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear for longer periods without discomfort. Jet Wall Blaster. The Jet Wall Blaster is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that makes removing tiles, plaster, paint, and other wall materials much faster and less tiring. Instead of chipping away with a hammer and chisel for hours, this tool delivers strong, rapid impacts that break up hard surfaces quickly, saving time and effort on any renovation or demolition project. It's designed for comfort and control, so anyone can use it without strain. Simply press it against the wall and pull the trigger, and the built-in mechanism delivers fast, powerful hits that crack and lift off layers of material. It works great on old tiles, plaster patches, paint layers, and even light concrete areas, giving you a clean and efficient result every time. Compact and portable, the Jet Wall Blaster can reach tight corners, stairways, and hard-to-access spots where larger machines won't fit. Klein Digital Angle Finder 935DF. The Klein Digital Angle Finder 935DF is a handy and precise tool that makes measuring angles quick and easy. It's perfect for woodworking, construction, metalwork, tiling, or any project where accurate angles are important. Instead of guessing or using traditional tools, this digital angle finder shows the exact angle on a clear screen, so you can work with confidence and precision. The tool has 2 strong stainless steel arms that you place on the surfaces you want to measure. The digital display immediately shows the angle between them, making it simple to check corners, slopes, intersections, or even complex angles. Whether you're adjusting a saw blade, fitting trim, or checking roof pitch, the Klein Angle Finder helps you get it right the first time.